And I got a good look at her. You had to see her eyes, her nose, her whole face. It looked like it was rotting. Yeah. She looked like a corpse. Like a walking corpse, man.
Sounds like my wife.
Resident Evil 2 Remake has been out since January 2019, which also introduces their new engine for rendering, the RE engine. It's so neat that it has been a hit for previous games like Devil May Cry 5, and it's pretty friendly to the hardware, especially on dual-core CPU. Thanks for thinking about us budget gamers, Capcom. Now about Resident Evil 2 gameplay. I played it first with its default setting, and let me tell you, it was damn frustrating. It was pretty harsh on my APU, bottlenecking my unit to its very GPU. It was up to the point that I almost can't play it. But it's not the game's fault that I'm poor. Anyway, on its lowest setting, it's playable, but my gosh, it's ugly. Just look at those edges. Look, those faces are so epic, I thought I was playing Minecraft. Again, it's not the game's fault that I can't afford a Predator Thronos. So I pulled out my inner low-spec gamer and configured the game's graphics setting carefully. I managed to pull out a very decent and below average output on the setup that I'm using.
I'll be back for you.
Stop moving.
Officer, you need help?
Stay back, sir. I got this.
Freeze! I'll shoot! Son of a bitch.
While roaming around the police station, in the game, I wasn't really at the police station, you guys, I managed to get a 30 FPS with my configured setting and played well in the dark places and well-lit environment. Definitely, there were a few detail sacrifices like the resolution and the quality, but all that is forgivable. Heck, even the cutscenes were pretty decent in these also. Even the zombies looks pretty clever in this game. As you can see, sometimes in the graphics setting, the VRAM is red. That means it's already exceeded its APU limits, but that's just fine because the RAM of our system is 8GB, so no worries. While playing seriously in the game, I noticed that there's a lot of backtracking on places that you visit. So for you to complete your task at hand, you need to take a lot of notes every time the game backtracks. And the jump scare, yes! It's nerve-wracking, but what do you expect? This is the Resident Evil and it's still the best in this genre. Another thing to mention is that you're playing the RE3 Remake. The changes that I applied here may also work because it runs on the same engine. If you're worried about playing the next game in the series, don't worry, just be faithful to your APU and it'll be playable. So guys, if you're planning to play this game on the lowest setting, well, feel free to do so. It's the best AAA game to have. Also, if you have any suggestion or knowledge on your setup using this setting, you can put it down in the comment underneath for me to know more. If you like and enjoy my videos, be sure to subscribe for more content. My name is Adrian Paul and I'm signing out.